I think it's important to understand which daily actions can potentially damage a mechanical watch. Not to be pessimistic, but to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Mechanical watches are designed to be worn, but they are also extremely complex machines, made of hundreds of components. We'll look at 6 common habits that can affect a watch over time. First point. The most common one? Changing the date. Using functions at the wrong time. There are danger zones. Between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. Why? Because on many movements, the date change is not instantaneous. There is often a progressive engagement toward the next day. Forcing the date during this transition can damage the mechanism, break teeth, or harm the system that drives the date disc. I personally always double-check before adjusting the date. The same applies to annual and perpetual calendars. If the watch shows a danger period, don't touch anything. Second point. Magnetism. Magnetic fields are far more present than we think. They affect the balance wheel, and especially the hairspring. Unless the hairspring is silicon, magnetism can cause the coils to stick together. The result is a watch that runs fast, lose accuracy, or stop completely. Smartphones, speakers, microwaves, or medical equipment are everywhere. Magnets are clearly not friends of mechanical watches. Third point. Underestimating shocks and vibrations. Modern movements are shock resistant, but not indestructible. Repeated vibrations matter. Golf swings, motorcycles, or similar activities can affect accuracy over time. They may not break the watch, but the balance wheel needs to oscillate within a precise and perfect balanced amplitude. If amplitude changes, accuracy suffers. That's why many people choose quartz or G-shocks for intense activities. Fourth point. Screw-down crowns. On paper, they sound perfect. They improve water resistance, better sealing, but the threading is very delicate. Tightening the crown too much does not help. Over time, the threads wear down. One wrong move or excessive tightening can damage it. Take your time and be gentle. Fifth point. Avoid adjusting or winding your watch while it's on your wrist. I'm not saying I've never done it, but it's definitely not ideal. When adjusting the watch on the wrist, sideways pressure can bend the stem. The stem is extremely thin. Forcing it serves no purpose and can damage the movement. The solution is simple. Take the watch off. Adjust it calmly. Then put it back on your wrist. The same goes for manual winding. Sixth point. Storage. Let's talk about storage. You don't need expensive or overly complex solutions. What matters most is a stable environment. Avoid temperature changes, humidity, and unstable conditions. Steam and moisture inside the watch is never a good thing. Dust, debris, unstable environments, all of this matters. A watch box, a case, or simply proper storage in a dry, stable place works perfectly fine. Watch winders can be useful if you have complex complications, or if you don't like resetting your watch often, but they are by no means essential. Mechanical watches rarely fail suddenly. Most of the time, they are affected gradually by small habits repeated over years. Understanding these 6 points helps preserve both performance and longevity. Invisible watch mistakes. Smart decisions before they cost you